and I'm going to say it, and please forgive me, but I have to say it. If you dress in a way not pleasing to Allah, and then people follow you, you will be asked about every single woman who followed you. And I'm speaking to those who are influencers, those who have social media presence, those who have impact on others. I told you, you're going to look at the book and I'm going to say, what is wrong with you? You haven't left anything. I cannot add what other people 100 years later did for me. Meaning, there's a woman in the early 1920s. It was the norm. You know who I'm going to talk about. In Egypt, everybody used to cover their face. She went out in public and took it off. It's very well known. You know who I'm talking about. Every woman who took it afterward, she's going to be asked about. Let alone the person who invented, for example, the G's hijab, I call it, which means we moved the hijab to only cover the hair.